Good morning students, welcome to new class. Today I am going to start lesson number 3, that is multiplication. Okay, so let us start the explanation of the chapter. After studying this chapter, the students will be able to multiply. After understanding these chapters, after practicing this exercise, after knowing this exercise or lesson, you will come to know how to multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, and you can also know the properties of the multiplications tables of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and multiplying using grid. Multiply 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. Okay, and how to estimate the products of two numbers. Okay, so let us start. These are the points which we will going to learn in this chapters. Okay, so let us start first. What is multiplicand? The number that is to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. Means what? ये see two numbers we are multiplying. Okay, two numbers को अगर multiply करते हैं, this first number will be a multiplicand and the second number is multiplier, and the product which are getting the answer, that answer is called a product. Okay, the number by which the multiplicand is multiplied, that number is called multiplier. The result means the answers which are getting after the multiplication, that is called product. Okay, now see, multiply 9 into 2 on the number lines. Number lines में multiply करेंगे, suppose starting from 0, 0 से 9, 9 को multiply करेंगे double, तो it will become 18. Okay, 9 2s are 18. Understood students? Okay, here also we have done. See how it is divided, multiplying the 3-digit numbers with the 2-digit numbers. How we are going to multiply? First we have to, what we have to do? First we have to multiply the ones. Then after that we have to multiply by the tens, this one. Okay, first we have to multiply by this number and after that we have to multiply by this number. Okay, after that what we have to do? Add both these products and we'll get the answer. Okay students? Okay, have you understood? Now see, related to that exercise is given here. Okay, these exercise you have to solve in your notebook. I will send this exercise with the solution in your PDF file. Okay, now see how you are going to multiply the 3-digit numbers by 10. If you are multiplying these numbers by 10, see what is there. See 2360. If you 236 only is there. 236 will be multiplied by 10. What will get the answer? We will copy the same answer 236 question and will put 10. Okay, multiplied by 10. Okay, how we are going to see here? It is multiplied. How? Understood? 1 0 is there, put 1 0 last. Okay, in the same way here also, two zeros are first, copy this question 1 to 4 and put the 2 zeros in the last. Even same way here also, 42 multiplied by 1000, so 1000 will be, so 3 zeros will be added at the end, that is 42 after 3 zeros. Okay, we'll get the answer. Okay, see here also how the product is multiplied. 12 into 40. First what we have to do here, this is, we are just splitting this number 40, 10 into 4, 10 4s are 40. Okay, after that we are getting the answers. First split the numbers and you can write down the answer. See here also 36 by 99. So what we have to do, 99 को कैसे करेंगे? 100 minus 1. So ये किस तरीके से, this 100 and minus 1 को, this both will multiply by 36 into 100 and 36 into 1. We'll get the answer 3564. In the same way, next questions also will be done. These are the examples. Okay, now see what you have to do. You have to see here, we have to, here this is the multiplication you have to write down, and this is the tables. You have to write down all the tables from 11 to 15 in your notebook. Okay students? Now see, related to the tables only, after knowing the tables or after having the tables, learning the tables, you can understood how to multiply. 11 2s is how much? 22. 9 11 is 99. Okay, in the same way 13's table, this is 15 table, this is 18 table, this is 9 table. Okay, you have to read this exercise. Okay students, I will send the PDF of this this exercise. Okay students, here you have to copy all these exercise in your notebook, and students please write down the tables from 1 to 20 in your notebook. Okay students, thank you.